It's a beehive, Dad. Holy crap. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Yes, those are all bees. Ah. Oh crap, there's a lot. Back. No, why don't you do it?
What?
Why don't you do it?
Yeah, no, they're not gonna bite you. They're not gonna sting you.
No.
Shan, they're not gonna sting you. I'll go through with you, come on.
Okay.
They're not gonna sting you, man. They're not gonna sting you because you're not bugging them.
No.
You wanna get any closer?
No.
You scared?
Yes.
You sure?
I've never been stung by bees before and I don't want to.
Oh. Well, see, you gotta get in there past the leaves, man. Just stick your can, like, way in there. Like, way in there, man.
Why don't you do it?
Because.
Please, you're stronger and older. Okay. Don't do it, you're gonna stop. So far, I want to touch it.
How close can we get, Shane?